So our school Minecraft club has a server which is mostly survival, and we really wanted to figure out a one-player sleep because nighttime was lasting a really long time, and we wanted to be able to skip it with just one person near a bed. So this is adapted from a tutorial that we found on Silent Whisperer's YouTube channel, and basically it works like this. So we have the nighttime sensor and the daytime sensor and the comparators. So this is only going to be active at night, which prevents a constant reset of the time of day. But what happens is at night, this repeater block is active because it is set to need redstone. And it's going to look for people who are sleeping or on the bed. And if they find it, it's going to set the time to sunrise. And we also added this little circuit so that if it goes off, it will clear the weather as well and get rid of any thunderstorms, because we're finding that since the update, it is thunder all the time. So we're going to give it a little test. So now it's nighttime, and if we go over and we stand on this bed, we can see that, yep, the sun is coming up now. Now the one drawback of the system is if I keep jumping on the bed, it is going to keep resetting the time to sunrise until it gets bright enough for the daylight sensor to activate. So as long as the students are aware of that and they get out of the bed once they've reset the time to sunrise, then everything should work.